Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, I want to talk about the 3 best credit cards. Hey, be quiet! There's so many different credit cards out there, and there's new credit cards coming out, I feel like, each and every month. But I feel like the really good credit cards are the cards that stick around for a long time, the cards that really give you a benefit. Also, with credit cards, I wanted to talk about credit cards that aren't necessarily the high-tier credit cards, not the credit cards that are going to get you into lounges, just a basic good credit card to have that'll give you good cash back and that's easy to get and is always going to give you rewards. So, number 3, I would pick Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards. I think this card's a great card. You get 1.5% back all the time on everything. It's just a good all-around card. They've been around for a long time. It's easy to get. And you don't have the headache of, well, I get 3% on this, or 2% on this, or 1% on this. It's just 1%, 1.5% across the board. And I think that's super simple, super easy, not complicated. There's a bunch of other cards out there that offer the same benefit. I've liked Capital One. That was my very first credit card I ever got when I was 18 years old. And I just think they're a great company. And that's why I gave them a 3rd. But I'll put right here a list of all the other credit cards that are right around that card. And really any of them would be a good choice. At number 2, I would pick the Citi Double Cash credit card. I think this card's great. As long as you aren't going to carry a balance, you're always going to get 2% back. You get 1% when you buy something, another 1% back when you pay off your balance. I think that's a great card, great idea. It's an incentive for people to pay it off, but just don't carry a balance, pay it off. You get immediate 2% back on everything, every single thing you get. Number 1, and I get this is a very niche, however you want to say it, credit card, but it's the Citi Costco credit card. If you are a Costco member, you have to get this card. You get 4% back on gas purchases when you purchase gas for your car. And then you get 3% back on any travel. That's a common one for several cards. You get 2% back on anything you buy in Costco. And if you have an executive membership with Costco, you're getting another 2% back. So you're really getting 4% back on anything you buy at Costco. Then you get 1% back on anything else. I really think this is a great card. I get tons of cash back on this card, and that's why I put it as my number 1 choice for the best credit card. Again, very easy to get. It's not a difficult card to get approved for. I'm not a huge fan of credit cards that have the changing cash back. I'm not good with those. I don't get on each month to change my, okay, I want 3% back on groceries this month, or I want 3% back on whatever this month. I'm just not good at that. So I like the cards that it's already set in place. I'm going to give you just a list of all the cards that I like, maybe my top 5 or maybe my top 10 credit cards that I would recommend. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, click the like button for me, subscribe to the channel.